Dear viewers, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Sample Registration System or SRS Bulletin. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the Sample Registration System or SRS Bulletin for 2019 was released by the Office of the Registrar General, Ministry of Home Affairs. Now let's understand what is SRS Bulletin. The Sample Registration System provides reliable annual estimates of infant mortality rate, birth rate, death rate, and other fertility and mortality indicators at the national and subnational levels. It conducts large-scale demographic surveys in all the states and union territories every year for the whole of India. The annual assessment for this year, that is 2021, presents the estimates of birth rate or BR, death rate or DR, natural growth rate, that is NGR, and IMR, that is infant mortality rate for 2019 for India and its states and union territories. In a certain place in a year, the birth rate and death rate are calculated per 1000 population. On the other hand, the same infant mortality rate is calculated per 1000 live births. SRS Bulletin is an indicator of social development. Now let's have a look at some important facts related to it. New data related to SRS at the national level are as follows. Births per 1000 population is 19.7. Deaths per 1000 population are 6.0, while infant deaths per 1000 live births is 30. There has been a decline in the data related to SRS in the last decade. It reflects progress in our social development. The current figures related to SRS are as follows. The highest birth rate has been recorded in Bihar, that is 25.8, while the lowest in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, that is 11.0. However, among the large states, that are the states with a population of more than 1 crore in 2011, SECC, Kerala ranks the best with 13.5, followed by Tamil Nadu 14.2 and Delhi 14.4 respectively. Chhattisgarh is rated the worst among the big states with the highest death rate of 7.3, whereas Delhi with 3.2 got the best position among all with the lowest death rate. In terms of IMR, Madhya Pradesh with 46 remains at the bottom of the country, while Mizoram and Nagaland with 3 are at the top of the best performing states. However, among the larger states, Kerala with 6 and Delhi with 11 have shown the best performance respectively. Based on these data, the states of Delhi and Kerala are being compared with high and upper middle income countries like America and China. As per the data, the condition of these states is better than the above countries. Now moving on to the practice question for today. With regard to the recently released SRS Bulletin 2021, consider the following statements. 1. It is issued by NSSO. 2. It is an indicator of the social progress of the states. 3. The position of Madhya Pradesh is the lowest in the country in terms of infant mortality. Which of the above statement or statements is or are true? A. Only 1. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. Or D. 1, 2 and 3. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.